Hello and welcome to another Tech Articles. Following the success of my Webhook for Bricks forms plugin, somebody asked if I could provide the same GUI to SureForms, so my SureForm Webhook snippet. And I thought yes I could, so I thought I'd do that. And I was going to do that anyway because I'm using that snippet, and actually I'm using what has become Hooksure, is which I'm calling this plugin, is half of what another plugin I'm using, which will then return the data back to a SureForm form. So I am working on a way to do that so that I don't have to use shore triggers. They've built a custom app function into the premium plans, but I don't want to use shore triggers. And as they've basically locked that up to headers with shore triggers and all sorts of other stuff, having looked through the code, I've decided I'm going to write my own interface, and that will allow me to use Flowmattic and Pabbly, etc., with it rather than shore triggers. So this is the first half of that script, really. This is the bit that allows the sending and the setting up of those webhooks. So why wouldn't I release this now, and while I continue to work on an as yet named project called, I don't know, Shore Returns. I don't know. I'm thinking about something with boomerang in the name. I don't know yet. I haven't quite brainstormed that enough. But this is the launch video, so to speak, of Hooksure. Hooksure is nothing special really. It's just a webhook delivery from the free version of SureForms. Again, you do not need the premium version for this. It works with the free version. And this is the repo with the explanation and the release here, which I've just pushed. And I've installed a site with nothing on here but a Flowmattic instance which would receive our webhook, but I'm not actually going to use that in this. So I'm going to deactivate that, and I'm going to deactivate Fluid snippets, and I'm going to deactivate Debug Log Manager, leaving us just with Hooksure and SureForms. And as I said, this is a free version of SureForms, and this actually updated today, I believe. 1.03 is the latest version. So I'm going to head over to SureForms, where I've created a form using their AI form builder, and we want form 33, and we need to remember that for later. I'm going to show you this form. I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to go to instant form, and I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to save that and open that over here. And this is just a bog standard basic contact form, nothing special. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head back over to WordPress, and I'm going to go to the Hooksure menu, which is in tools down here, Hooksure. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 33 in there because that's our form. And I'm going to open another window that I've got down here, which is webhook.site. I'm going to copy this unique URL, and I'm going to push this into this form here. And now I'm telling it to map form 33 to that URL. And I'm going to go over to here to my form, and I don't have to do anything in SureForm for this. It works based on the REST API that SureForm uses. So I'm going to put in here Tech Articles. Hello. Tech. Okay. Ignore phone number. I'm going to put hello in the message, and I'm going to say I prefer email as my contact, and then I'm going to submit that form. And you get your thank you page, and I'm going to pull up my webhook site again, and you will see just by magic we've had a webhook delivery of our submission. And it really is that simple. That's how simple Hooksure works. You add your form. You don't have to do anything to your SureForm installation. It does nothing to your SureForm installation. If we were to create a simple form, if I go back now and if I create a simple form here, so if I go to SureForms and just create a new form and build it from scratch, and I'll just dump in a text field and I'll publish it, and I will view it, and then I will submit it and just put some text in here. That's being sent. And if I go back to webhook.site, there was no webhook delivery for that form. Now, if I flick back again and I add the same site details, which I'm just going to copy here, I'm going to go back to our forms, and I'm going to edit this form again just so I can get and go back to forms just so I can get what the number of that form is. It's 34. So I'm going to go back to tools and Hooksure, and I'm going to change that to 34 and put in the same URL. Just check that it all looks okay. It does. So I'm going to go back and check that is 34 before I submit that. So we've got 34, and I'm going to go and view that form again, and I'm going to submit that form. And if I go back to the Webhook site, you will now see that form now does deliver via Webhook. I did nothing in SureForms for that to work. It worked automatically outside. There's no interference with your SureForm. I hope the plugin is of use to some people. I hope it helps. As I say, you don't need the premium version of this. You don't need to buy the premium version of SureForms. Webhooks is an ability in the premium version, but this allows you to use webhooks without that premium version for free. The plugin's free. It's on GitHub. I will put a link below. Hopefully, it's some use to you. If you've liked this video, if you want to see videos like it, please like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, thank you for watching.